It's been quite the journey with Dr. Matt, learning, from ground zero to where I'm at today. I didn't come in with any experience, any prior knowledge in the dental field, so I leaned on the doctor to learn that, and he was a fantastic teacher and a leader, and he keeps us all going and motivated and our patients calm, and his leadership has empowered me to always want to know more, to do the next thing, to know more, to grow as a professional in the dental field.
He's always been a very confident guy, always a person that's very knowledgeable. Every topic that he handles, he just feels comfortable talking to you about anything. So really a person that stands out, especially in dentistry. He comes from a family that his parents are dentists, his siblings are dentists. So when it comes to dentistry, he is all in.
He actually founded a scholarship here for the dental assisting program and has definitely made a difference and an impact in the students here at TSC. He volunteers here as well, teaching. He's on faculty here for the dental hygiene and dental assistant programs. He comes every now and then and he'll do some lectures. So it's his dedication to the students here in the dental field has been stellar.
He was really interested in setting up this scholarship fund. It is something that he really believed in from the beginning. Once he heard about the possibility, he was all in. He was excited, motivated, and finding a way to make it happen. He believes strongly in teaching others, investing in the community, because the more the community is informed and developed, either we're gonna have better staff for us or for anybody. It's also gonna make a big impact on just regular person's lives.
Every now and then we'll see some of the TSC students come through the office to shadow, and it's really cool to see the fruits of that scholarship, working. We met the person who received the first scholarship. She came through and shadowed the office, so it was really cool just to see that full circle.